Hello everyone. So this is the first problem we'll do. This one I think is pretty simple. I guess the most obvious answer would be to play here. But this doesn't quite work because white can just play here, and now there's a lack of liberties. So if black tries to play here, white can just capture. If black tries to throw in, white just captures, and black still can't play here because it would be self-Atari. So you can also try just throwing in here. White captures, black captures, white captures again. When white goes, or when black goes here, white goes here, white captures, and it's a ko. So I think this also works for black, but I think black has a better way. So black can throw in here first, which is for sure sente. He has to play here. Now black can throw in, capture, here, here. And then now when it's the ko, black captures the whole thing. So it just feels like white had to add an extra stone here. So I feel this is the best variation. But the main part of this problem is finding the Tsuji of this move. Because without finding this move, then you can't find the ko. But yep, I think that's about it. Let me know in the comment sections if there was any variations you saw that were different. Or if you think I'm wrong, let me know. And well, I'll see you tomorrow.